Hello everyone, and welcome to our brand new channel. On this channel, we will show you how to turn your house into something truly futuristic. The best part about this setup is it is very affordable and really fun to set up. I would go as far as to say it is kind of addictive. So, how do we pull off this magical feat, you ask? We will use something called Home Assistant, the free open source software that will blow your mind. So, without further ado, let's get down to it. Whatever your budget, this can be accomplished using items you may already have on hand. It only requires a computer, or it will even work on a Raspberry Pi if you happen to have one. If you go the computer route, you can install it on Windows, Mac, or Linux and others as well. For our first tutorial, we will place this on a computer. We do not even need to dedicate the whole computer for this. We are going to place it in a VBOX running under Windows. Wait, what is a VBOX? A VBOX stands for Virtual Box. This will allow you to run multiple operating systems on the same computer. It basically gives it its very own computer to run under. It does not interfere with anything currently running on that computer. It is truly its own virtual computer. VBOX was created by Oracle, and it is totally free. So head on over to Oracle and download the installer. Don't worry, I will include the link in the description below. Simply click the download button on the right. Next, click the Windows hosts on the left to download. Then on the right, click Accept and Download to download the expansion pack. Awesome! We have now downloaded almost everything needed to get our VBOX up and running, but we are going to need just one more thing. So let's head on over to the Home Assistant website and download a VDI file. This file is the Home Assistant operating system. Again, I will include the link for this in the description below. I know the colors here make it a bit difficult to read, but don't worry, I can walk you through this. Just click Getting Started at the top right part of the page, then in the left column select Windows and then click the VirtualBox VDI link in the center to download it. Okay, we now have everything we need to install Home Assistant on your Windows computer. So, to get started, go to your Downloads folder. Next, click on the VirtualBox setup file. Okay, now click the Next button. Now click on I agree, then click Next again, then click Yes, Yes again, Next again, and finally click Install. Wow, that was a mouthful. Point is just keep answering yes or next, and you will do fine. Now sit back and wait for the install to finish. When it finishes, click the Finish button and it will run the VirtualBox Manager. Before we get started with creating our VirtualBox, we need to unzip our VDI file, so head over to your downloads to do this. Simply double-click the VDI zip file and then click Extract All. Then click the Extract button and wait for it to finish. Now for the fun part. We are going to install Linux in a VirtualBox on your computer. Again, no worries about messing anything up. It runs totally separate from Windows. I think I am going to end this video here. In part 2 of this video, we will install Home Assistant on our VirtualBox.